Talking about possessive noun. So as I said in Hindi, ये सर का मार्कर है. तो in English we will say this is sir's marker. Yes, everybody. Okay. Now listen. I am writing it down. Okay. This is sir's marker. Make sense? Understanding everybody? Make sense? Sir's marker. Instead of this, if I write this is sir marker. Making sense?
No.
Avantika, look here. Look at this. Is it making sense?
No.
This is sir marker. No. This is so apostrophe S. Apostrophe S is very important to tell this belongs to somebody. Mine, his, hers, theirs. That is possessive. Clear concept? Living and non-living. Okay? Done? In living things, we use apostrophe. Remember we said na Romana's hairband. So Romana apostrophe we used to give, yes or no?
Yes.
Apostrophe, then S, right? So Romana's hairband. So Romana is a living person, so we will use apostrophe. Okay? But when it is a non-living thing, for example, say something non-living. Chair, hairband. Here we will not use apostrophe. We will not use apostrophe. Instead of apostrophe, we will use of. We will use of. Now understand carefully. It is very confusing till now. I will explain. See. What did I say? Romana's hairband. Okay? Clear everybody? So the question, what was it? Say the dress of Avantika. The dress of Avantika. Yes, everybody? So how to change and put apostrophe? Avantika's
Dress.
Yes. So we write Avantika's dress. Clear everybody? Avantika is a living being. Yes, everybody. Listen carefully. Avantika is a living being. Did we put apostrophe? Yes. So Avantika's dress. Apostrophe given. Correct. Again, if I say papers color. Papers color. Listen everybody. Papers color. Apostrophe I am giving. This is wrong. This is wrong. Whenever there is non-living, we have to use of. Here any of is there? No. Which means it is wrong. So the actual answer will be the color of paper. Very good. The color of paper. Okay? Lamp's light. Jivika has given example. Lamp's light. Is it correct?
No.
Exactly. So what should
The
it be?
light of the lamp.
Fantastic.
This one will be
The light of the
lamp.
singular and
Plural.
plural. Fantastic. Now understand one thing carefully. Understand one thing carefully. For example, this boy. Come here, boy. You boy, come here. Who is this? Mr. Cohen. So Mr. Cohen is a boy or a girl?
Boy.
Are you a boy or a girl? Papa. Yes, sure. Okay. So, for example, Tuhin. So Tuhin is singular or plural?
Singular.
Tuhin, are you singular? But oh, is plural. You are singular.
Yes, singular.
Okay. So Tuhin is singular, right? So he is a boy. So let's not take Tuhin's name, boy. You are boy. So singular. Okay. So I write boy. Written. Okay. This is the t-shirt. of 2 inch t-shirt? Yes or no? Yes. So if I write t-shirt, so what will I put here? This is the t-shirt of Tuhin. So what will I write here? Yes. What will I say? Boy's t-shirt. Yes? Correct. Understood. Go and sit. Sir, come here. Come here. Okay. This is girl. What are you? Say girl. She's a girl. Okay. So I write girl over here. Written? Okay. Let's say this bottle is of Saranya's. Okay? Clear? Bottle of Saranya? Your bottle? Yes. So I write bottle here. I write bottle here. We will say girls bottle. Concept clear, everybody? Clear? Wait. Apostrophe S. Okay. Go and sit. Thank you. If it is so, here what are we seeing? Everything is plural or singular? Everything is singular. So when there is singular, we put apostrophe. Do we put S apostrophe? No. What do we do? S. First apostrophe, then S. Do you know what is apostrophe? This boy sitting on top. This is called apostrophe. Okay. So apostrophe, say S. Clear? Listen to me carefully. Singular means you know. Plural also you know. Right? Now, for example, if I say boy, so the plural will be? So that will be B-O-Y plus? Yes? Correct? Okay. If I say man, the plural will be? Men. Spelling? No S. Yes. So there is no S. But it is still also plural. It's still plural, right? Child will be plural. Not children's. Children. Right? W-O-M-A-N is? Plural will be? But there will not be? Fantastic. Everybody knows this?
Yes.
Now see. We talked about singular. Now we'll talk about plural. Okay? Now listen. If we are writing boys, there are many boys, so we have to write boys. Yes or no?
Yes.
Have to write? Okay. If it is a boys' school, if it is a, mean there are many boys. Yes or no?
Yes.
Plural, many boys. So I have written boys. I have written boys.
Yes.
Now I will write school. Just follow, okay? Boys' school. Written. But I have to put apostrophe. Yes or no?
Yes.
Showing that this is the school of the boys. But where will I give the apostrophe? Here. Or where? Or I will put here and here. Will I give it like this? Acha, boys. Then again I will put apostrophe. Then again I will put S. Double S. We will not do this. Instead of this, what we will do? It is boys plural. You know everything plural, right? So we will write boys. After S, there will be the apostrophe. Understood? I am explaining once again. Listen to me carefully. For example, girls' college. So how many girls are there? One or many? Many girls. So first we will write girls. We will
And the spelling will be GIRLS.
Bas. G-I-R. Okay. G-I-R-L-S. Girls written?
Yes.
Girls written?
Then
Wait. Let me speak. Girls school, I appreciate your enthusiasm, but just let me finish, then I ask. Okay? Fine. Girls school, but is it looking correct?
No.
No? Where will I put the apostrophe?
After
After S. Okay? So it will be here. Understood?
Yes.
So when it is plural, plural and having a s already, when I am making plural, there is already a s. So will I put double s?
No.
So after the s, we will just put an
Apostrophe again.
apostrophe. Clear to him? Fine. Now for example, what is the plural of man? Men. अच्छा चलो सी. तो men given, no apostrophe. Sorry. No s is given. Men club. Let's say we write club. Men club. Okay. Now what we will do?
We will put an apostrophe and s to show s. Otherwise.
We will put apostrophe s. We will put apostrophe s. As just because s I am adding, plural is already here. Plural is already here. Without s,
Yes.
then we can put an s. Put an s. Or number rule, okay? Everywhere till now we have talked about one subject, like boy, girl, Mohan, chair. One subject we have talked about. Only one. Now what happens? For example, Vivaswan and Tuhim. Can happen two people in a sentence? Can happen, yes or no? So let's say Tuhim and Vivaswan. What is the spelling of Vivaswan?
VIVASWN.
Okay, let's say Vivaswan. They keep it, understood. They go to same school, that is St. Xavier's. They go to St. Xavier's. Okay. If I have to say that Vivaswan and Tuhim go to the same school, how will I put it together in one sentence?
Vivaswan and Tuhim go to the one.
With an apostrophe.
Vivaswan and
How will I say? Tuhim and Vivaswan school is same. This is a raw sentence, okay? This is Tuhim, this is Vivaswan, okay? So Tuhim and Vivaswan school is same, but there is something missing. Yes? Wait, Tuhim, how will I say? Tuhim and Vivaswan school is same. Is it sounding correct? Where is the apostrophe missing? So what will I do? Yes. So what will I do? Will I put Tuhim's and Vivaswan's school is same?
No.
Wait, is it correct?
No.
I will put only at the last one. Tuhim and Vivaswan's school is same. If they are going to the same school, same thing, same school, same food, same dress, same house. If it is same, okay? If it is same, listen to me. If it is same, then apostrophe will be only last. But if two people are there, but their work is different, then there will be apostrophe in both the words. Okay? For example, Tuhim and Vivaswan house is under construction. There he stays in a separate house. Surabhi, he stays in a separate house. He stays in a separate house. So are they same? No. His house. Both are different. Clear? Then I will put apostrophe in both of them, but in one sentence. So Tuhim
And
Vivaswan's
house is under construction.
concept clear?